Good afternoon and welcome to our news. This is breaking news. There is a riot happening outside the Waterloo train station in London. It is being claimed by authorities that they are protesting against the production of a musical called Alice by Heart. This is an extremely dangerous situation. All residents must stay away from these riots and follow police red directions to avoid travelling near the riots. The City of London will be under a curfew beginning at 5 p.m. and ending at 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. All civilians must be home by 5 p.m. If you are not home by 5 p.m, you risk being arrested and questioned by your local authorities. All travelling in and out of the city is also prohibited until 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. Do not participate in these riots as you are risking your life, and you may be arrested and questioned by your local authorities. Continue to monitor local outlets for more updates if they become available. Good morning and welcome to our news. This is an update to the riot happening outside of the Waterloo train station. The riot hasn't officially subsided, meaning this is an all-clear message. Everything is back to normal. Thank you for your cooperation.